Lovable N8N. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open the Lovable website. In the top right corner, click Login or Get Started. You can continue with Google, GitHub, or manually enter your email and password. After account creation, you'll be redirected to the Lovable dashboard. Click Let's Build to start creating your integration. Now go to the N8N website. Click Create a Workflow, then click the plus icon in the center of the canvas. From a menu, choose on 𝗕𝗂𝘀𝗀𝗀𝘀. Here, you'll see fields like webhook URL, HTTP method, path, authentication, and response. Edit the path as desired and copy the test URL. Switch back to Lovable, add webhook, and paste your copied test URL there. Lovable will automatically regenerate the webhook configuration. Once done, copy the generated webhook URL and request payload. Return to N8N, click the plus icon beside the trigger node. Search and select HTTP request. Paste the webhook URL, enable send query parameters, choose using JSON, and paste the request payload. You can also enable send headers where send body is needed. Lastly, explore additional options or adjust settings under the trigger menu.